Hi everyone. Okay, so in the words of the great Bob Marley, don't worry about a thing. We're talking about business resilience, part 2. Don't worry. Mahmood.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Marley. So, last week we talked about business resilience and how your leadership in your business plays a vital key. This week, we're going to look at the two other components that make up your business resilience. The first is information. Now, making decisions based on your gut instinct are great, they sound very fine, but it's a bonkers way to run your business. You need good quality information. So you need to go digital in your accounts, your management system. You need to collect data about what you're spending, where the money's coming from, where it's going, how your customers are interacting. If you don't have that data to turn into good quality information, you're literally making decisions with a blindfold. Number 2 is the art of communication. If you have positive and turbulent times going on, you need to make sure you communicate effectively and efficiently with all your stakeholders. That includes your staff internally as well as your customers. Be authentic, be honest, deliver with integrity, and that for me are two of the final pieces of the jigsaw to build your business resilience. You want to find out more? You know what you've got to do.
Every little thing is gonna be alright. Okay guys, over to the website, have a read of it, have a read all the blogs. Business Rockstars signing off. Until next week, ciao.
Ciao.